will start with a situation where the driver is too busy using the phone, which quickly creates problems. The driver cuts the biker off, who decided to react in a rather reckless manner, especially since he was moving with the passenger.
I'm good. Yeah. I'm good. I ate it. I'm good. Yeah, I gotta get out of here.
I can move the bike. I can move it out.
Yeah, let's move it. I'm good.
I got it. Hey, somebody cut you off.
Huh?
Somebody cut you off.
That's me. That's all me.
No. So einer hat hingeballert jetzt. Hey, you! What was that? Alright, I'm sorry I swore. Alright, no problem, man. You know what? When somebody apologizes, I'm willing to blur your face out and, you know, forgiveness is there.
He forgot his SD card. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, Tyler! I hope you didn't break it. Is your foot okay? Your toe? When you almost crashed?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, I definitely saw it bad.
You like hit your foot in the ground or what?
You didn't see him?
No, yeah, I saw him. I just didn't know his foot hit the ground or anything. That looks swollen. Yeah.
too confident driving combined with a moment of inattention very quickly resulted in this rider receiving a valuable lesson.
इसको चलानी ही नहीं आती यार हैं? वो ब्रेकें मारी आपने सीधे दीदी कम से कम पीछे तो देखना होता है हमने भी चलना होता है मैं सीधा पीछे आके टक्कर लगी शुक्र है बचे हमने टक्कर लगी पीछे से
Yo, bro, you good, dog? Yo, you good, bro? Yo, you good, dog? Yo, holy... It's okay, bro. No, are you okay? Do you need...
My Insta360 decided at this point with the stick, the selfie stick, decided that it was gonna break right off from the clamp, and 3 cars went by my Insta360. Oh my gosh, this was crazy. 3 cars ran through this thing that they were gonna run that thing over. When I actually picked it up, it seemed like
Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.
It's a good